Hello viewers, welcome to Clear Concept. This is a continuation of my previous video which was on VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Here we will see the application of both the formulas. We will take two scenarios. In the first scenario, origin will be a vertical table and destination will be a vertical and a horizontal table. Similarly, in the second case, the origin will be a horizontal table and the destination will be a vertical and a horizontal table. Let's see how it is going to work. Okay. So the first case is this is my master data table. This is the vertical table. I have to fill the data here. First case is a vertical one. Second case is a horizontal one. So I have to fill this both the tables from where? From this master data which is in the vertical. Okay. So let's start. Now to fill this vertical to this vertical, the formula is pretty easy. I have already explained. This is going to be a simple VLOOKUP. So you do a VLOOKUP because the original place is vertical. So we are going to use vertical. So VLOOKUP, sorry. Then our reference cell is Vijay, simple. Then my original data, main data is from Ravi to Uttar Pradesh, proceed with a comma. Then what is the column? Column is 2, comma, and then false. Okay, I'm going to drag this. Similarly, state. So state is, let's see, go back and check where is the state. If I select this data from here to here, the state will be in the fifth column, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, let's go back and apply this formula. VLOOKUP, then click reference cell, proceed with the comma, go to the main data, proceed with a comma, then write fifth because state is in the fifth place, comma, and then false. Okay, so this is a sum. I'm going to drag this. Just have a random check. Rahul 22 Bihar, is it? Rahul 22 Bihar, correct. Okay, so once we are done with the vertical table, we are moving to the horizontal table. Now what is the change here is we are going to put the same formula, the only one change will be there. So let's see what if we put the same formula. What is the formula? What we have applied in the vertical table? It starts with a VLOOKUP. Okay. Then the reference number, which is the Vijay here. Then we go back to our main data, select Ravi to Uttar Pradesh. Then what usually we do is for age we put 2, then we put a comma, and then we put false. Sorry, there is a mistake, has to be false. Okay, 23. Now we are going to drag it. Will it work? No. We are going to drag it. Will it work? No. Okay. So this has picked up as per formula. It has picked up because this is the first cell. But while we are dragging it, it's not working. What is the reason? So if we put individual formula, probably it will work. Like again, we are going to put the same formula. We look up. Then we will select Vicky. We are going to put comma. Then we put our original data, proceed with a comma. Then what we are looking for? We are looking for age, so 2, comma, then we have put a false here. Okay, 2. But the interesting part is if I'm going to drag it, it's not going to work at all. See. Okay, so what change I need to make? This is happening because the moment I'm dragging it, if you see here, see 23, what is the formula? C4 to G19. If I come here, it's changing D4 to H19. Okay, Now I need to keep this data constant because this is the comparison, this is the table. VLOOKUP C4 G19 is the whole table that I have set. See, C4 to G19. This is the 19. The moment it keeps increasing this way, the moment I have dragged, you can see H, I, J, it will keep increasing. See here, H, see here, I. So what we have to do is, we will go back to this formula. Just to keep this constant, we are going to use a dollar value. Why dollar value? Because I want to keep the whole data area constant. It cannot increase. It has to be there. The data selection area has to be constant. So I am just putting it dollar. The moment I am putting a dollar, the whole data becomes constant. I mean, this whole data what I have selected becomes a constant area. Now if I drag it, it will work. See. Similarly, if I drag it, it's not going to work. But if I come here and then I put a dollar value here, because C4 to G19 is my selection area, it cannot change at all. It has to be there all the time. Dollar, dollar, enter. Now you drag, it's going to work. See, okay. Similarly, we're going to put VLOOKUP, okay, and then the reference is VJ, comma, then I'm going to the selection area. Okay, now proceed with a comma, and then this should be the fifth. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this should 5 comma false. This will come, but if I drag it, it's not going to come. What change I have to do? Simple. I go here in the first formula. I'm going to put C4 to G19 as a constant because this is the area, data area. I have to keep it constant. Go there, just put dollar here, hit enter. Assam. Now I will drag, it will work. See, okay. So is it same? Assam, Bihar, Karnataka. Yeah, Wiki 22 Bihar, Wiki 22 Bihar. Exactly. So this is how you are going to pull the data from a vertical to a vertical table, from a vertical to a horizontal table. The data will be fixed. How we are going to see which formula we have to apply is, the formula will be based on the origin data. This origin data is based on a vertical table, so all the formulas, whether you are dragging it or taking it to a target cell is in your vertical table or your target is in a horizontal table, doesn't matter. Your formula has to start first with your VLOOKUP because this is a vertical. Similarly, or this time in the next case, our origin table is horizontal. Okay, then again we have two cases, vertical and horizontal. So we are deleting this. Again we are deleting this. Okay. Horizontal to horizontal, it's pretty easy. I have already explained you how to do this. Same formula, we just have to apply. Horizontal to horizontal, you put H lookup. Why H lookup? Because our origin file and the data is in a horizontal table. Now what I want my reference, that is VJ, and then comma, and then my origin data starts with a Ravi to Uttar Pradesh. Then I put comma here, and then I put age. Since this is an horizontal, it starts looking into the row, not the vertical columns, horizontal rows. So row, in this case I have started with Ravi, so my age is in the second row. So I will put a 2 here, and then I'll put false. See, this is coming. So this is how I am going to just drag it. Since this is an horizontal to horizontal table, no changes required. We are just going to drag it and it's going to work. Similarly for the state, same formula, H lookup, comma, our reference, then comma, then our main data starts with Ravi to Uttar Pradesh, then comma, then cities in the fifth, 1 2 3 4 5. So I'm going to put fifth here, then false, obviously. Okay, bracket closed. See, this will work as well. I'm going to drag it. It worked. Now, if I have to pull the same data to a vertical table, which is my origin is in an horizontal, now my target is the vertical. So how do I do this? I'm going to face the same situation, same difficulty what I faced while pulling the data from a vertical to a horizontal. So what I'm going to do is, since my origin data is in horizontal, I have to put it in, start with an H lookup only. So H lookup. Now reference is Vijay, comma, my main data. Where is my main data? Starts from Rabi to Uttar Pradesh. Now proceed with the comma. Then which row it is? This row is second, age. So I'm going to put it as 2. Now false. I get this data. If I drag it, it's not gonna work. Okay, the reason is exactly same. The moment I am dragging it, this is going, our selected area is going out of the range. Why? See here what is the formula saying. R5 to AG9. Where is R5? This is R, this is 5. Okay, so it should have started from here. Since we have dragged, it started from here. Now just to keep it in place, what we are going to do is, I'm going back to the main cell where I actually started the formula. I'm going to put a dollar here so that if I drag it, this is not going to increase. Hit enter. Okay, now I drag, it will work. See, it worked. Now I'll put the same formula, H look up my reference cell, comma, then I need state. Okay, so I'm starting from here, Ravi to Uttar Pradesh. My state will be 5 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, comma. Now what should be? This should be the 5, comma, false. Okay, here just before hitting enter, I'm going to put dollar, dollar. Okay, now say, is it right? Ayush, Rajasthan 19. Ayush, Rajasthan 19. I have tried to explain it in a very simple way so that it can be understood by everyone easily. Hope you like the video. If you have any doubts, then you can share your views and questions in the comment box. So do like, share and subscribe our channel Clear Concept for more upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a great day.